Hello friends, today we are making Chicken Tikka Masala. In a large bowl, start by adding 1/3 cup of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1.5 teaspoon of salt. Give it a gentle mix. Now for the dry spices. Add 1 teaspoon Garam Masala, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, half a teaspoon of regular red chili powder, 1 teaspoon Cumin Powder, quarter teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon dried Kasuri Methi, and 1 teaspoon Tikka Masala Powder. Stir everything together well. Then add in 2 pounds of cubed chicken pieces. Make sure each piece is coated evenly. Cover the bowl and refrigerate for at least 1 hour or let it rest overnight for the best flavor. The next step is optional but highly recommended for an incredible smoky duck. Heat a piece of charcoal over a flame until it's glowing red. Place a small metal bowl or a foil cup right in the center of your marinated chicken. Carefully set the hot charcoal into the bowl and drizzle about a teaspoon of ghee or oil over it. It will release smoke instantly. Cover the bowl right away to trap all that aromatic goodness. Let it sit for 5-7 minutes and then remove the charcoal. This simple step gives your chicken a delicious tandoor-style flavor. To make the sauce, heat 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil in a large pan over medium heat. Add the marinated chicken and cook until it's golden brown and fully cooked. Remove the chicken and set it aside. In the same pan, add another tablespoon of oil and 1 medium chopped onion. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes until the onions turn soft and translucent. Next, add the spices. 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, quarter teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chili, and half a teaspoon Garam Masala. Toast them lightly to release their aroma. Pour in 2 cups of tomato sauce and let it simmer for 10 to 12 minutes, stirring occasionally until the sauce thickens and the oil begins to separate. Add a teaspoon of sugar, then stir in half a cup of cream. Let it simmer for 2 more minutes until everything comes together in a smooth, velvety sauce. Finally, return the chicken to the pan and give it a final stir to coat. Top your chicken tikka masala with a drizzle of cream and freshly chopped cilantro, and serve warm with fluffy basmati rice or soft buttery garlic naan. Rich, smoky, and irresistible, your homemade chicken tikka masala is ready to enjoy.